Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the new Dove Shower Foam Shea Butter with warm vanilla foaming body wash. This is just the NutriumMoisture 13.5 fluid ounces, 400 milliliters. And I'm not going to read everything on the back. It just tells you how to use it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But I will read the top. It just says, transform your shower with Dove Shower Foam for clean, smooth skin in 3 easy steps. And it just gives the steps, but guys, it's really like self-explanatory like I stated before. And this says it has more than 250 pumps in one bottle, so it says just use generously and enjoy. So before I get to talking about what I just said, I just want to talk about the shea butter with warm vanilla. Okay, so this is my first time trying any like pump shower foam body wash before, and to be honest guys, I am a huge fan and I will give you guys multiple reasons why. But so I just want to give a quick backstory. Growing up, my parents were never like body wash people. They were kind of like bar soap people. So when it came to like showering and stuff like that, and like we were never like, I think when I started using body washes when I started getting in high school, and then I started like purchasing like Victoria's Secret or like pink body wash, but it was never like I went to Walmart and bought my own body wash. It was kind of like whatever we had at the house, and my parents would strictly only buy bar soap. When I had got in college, like I never used bar soap. I was just kind of like a body wash person, and I really got into body washes. And I have very, very, very sensitive skin. And so I noticed like some of the like heavier, like thicker body washes I would use would either clog up my pores very badly, or it just would give me bad reactions to my skin. And so for any of you guys that are wondering, I do have like severe eczema on my legs and my arms, but over time it just turned into like my pores being bigger and just my skin gets irritated. So if you like were to look at my legs and my arms, like my pores would be bigger than a typical person's pores. But it's just something that I've like adjusted with over the years. And so knowing that, and especially for anybody whose skin is very sensitive like mine is, it's very important that you're using the right thing so you're not irritating your skin. So bringing it full back circle around to this product, like I said before, I've never tried a foam body wash before, but when I tell you this is like the lightest body wash that I've ever used, it literally glides right off of you. It lathers so well. I definitely would recommend this scent. It smells honestly so good, and I'm just like, I love anything with vanilla in it. Like it reminds me of fall and everything, and shea butter just really moisturizes your skin. So I definitely would recommend this to anybody who loves vanilla and shea butter as much as I do. It makes me feel warm inside, and it's like 2 of my favorite scents, and for them to combine it, I was like all for it. At first I was kind of skeptical. I was like, a shower foam, like what in the heck, a shower foam? Like I was like, this is not gonna work. And then guys, for any of the overusers out there, and I'm an overuser, and I will admit that I definitely overuse more of a product than I should. I was like, knowing me, I'd be done with this bottle in like 2 days. So I purchased this bottle at the end of June, and I still have it. And I know it's like only a month and stuff, and so I don't know how long typically people keep their body washes for. But like I said before, I am an overuser, so I typically have my body washes for like 2 weeks, guys, and I know that's really sad, and you guys are like, you probably shower 3 times a day. I sometimes do, but it's just that I use so much of my body wash, and I know it's bad. But this, I still have this. It's still going strong. The other thing I like about this too, guys, is it sounds like a liquid, but it comes out, and I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video, it comes out so foamy and so nice. You honestly don't need that much of it. When it comes to this, I honestly don't even feel like I need to overuse any of it, just because the product honestly lasts me so long. And like I said before too, guys, this is just like one of those, and honestly guys too, it's very inexpensive. So you would be looking at this, and the body washes that I buy are usually within the prices of like $6 to $9. And either they come in 2-packs, or either it's like just a really good brand, so I don't even care about spending the money on it. Guys, when I tell you this product is under $6, it is under $6, and I definitely recommend this, like I said before, to anybody who has like sensitive skin. It's a very like light, foamy like product. It tells you the ingredients on the back of it too, but I definitely would give Dove a thumbs up for this one. And I like the way it's shaped. It could easily like sit in your shower, and that would be no problem. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. And guys, I'm not really that good at measurements, but this body wash has more than my typical body washes that I buy has in it. And honestly guys too, like it's just one of those things for me that I would keep buying this product again. So like I said before, I just wanted to show you guys like how it looks. Look at the texture, so nice. It's almost like a foamy hand soap, but it's a body wash and it's so good, and I definitely would recommend this. So like I said before guys, this is just the new Dove Shower Foam Shea Butter with warm vanilla foaming body wash, and it gives you moisture, and it's the best lightest thing that I've ever tried.